Ever wondered how China, a country with one of the oldest civilizations, has built such incredible wealth over time? From ancient wisdom to modern strategies, the Chinese have mastered financial success in unique ways. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll break down 7 Chinese secrets to building wealth that you can start applying today. Secret 1. Long-term thinking. Chinese culture places a huge emphasis on long-term thinking. While the West often focuses on quick wins, many Chinese families and businesses build wealth over generations. They invest in businesses, real estate, and education with the mindset that success is a marathon, not a sprint. For example, many Chinese families prioritize purchasing property even if it means living frugally for years. They understand that real estate appreciates over time, ensuring that their wealth grows. Similarly, businesses are built with the expectation that they will expand over decades, not just a few years. Think about how you can start playing the long game in your own life. Are you making financial decisions that will benefit you 10, 20, or even 50 years from now? Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a business, or learning valuable skills, the key is to think beyond the present and lay the foundation for future prosperity. Secret 2. Frugality and smart spending. Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it. Many wealthy Chinese families practice frugality, buying quality items that last instead of flashy luxuries. The idea is simple: live below your means and invest the difference. Chinese families are known for their ability to stretch a dollar. They avoid unnecessary expenses, seek out the best deals, and prioritize investments over consumption. For instance, instead of purchasing a luxury car or designer clothes, they might buy a modest vehicle and put the savings into real estate or stocks. Another key aspect is negotiation. Bargaining is a common practice in Chinese markets, and this mindset extends to other financial decisions. Whether it's securing a better deal on rent, negotiating a business contract, or finding cost-effective suppliers, smart spending habits play a major role in long-term wealth accumulation. Cutting unnecessary expenses gives you more capital to build real wealth. Take a moment to analyze your spending habits. What can you cut back on? How can you redirect your money towards something that will appreciate over time? Secret 3. Family and networking. In China, family and relationships, or guanxi, are everything. Wealth isn't just about what you know, but who you know. Strong relationships open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and financial support. Chinese culture places a strong emphasis on family unity and collective financial growth. Parents often support their children's education and first property purchases, and in return, children take care of their elders later in life. This creates a financial safety net that allows wealth to be built and passed down efficiently. Beyond family, guanxi plays a crucial role in business and career success. People build trust through personal relationships, often helping each other succeed financially. Business deals are frequently built on years of friendship and mutual assistance. Unlike in some cultures where business is strictly transactional, in China, relationships are cultivated long before any financial dealings take place. Want to build wealth? Start strengthening your connections with family, mentors, and business contacts. Be intentional about maintaining relationships and offering value to others. In return, opportunities for financial growth and stability will come your way. Secret 4. Multiple income streams. Relying on one income stream is risky. That's why many Chinese entrepreneurs and families diversify their income. They invest in real estate, side businesses, and even small e-commerce ventures. The key is to always have multiple ways to make money. If one fails, you have others to fall back on. Many Chinese families have side businesses in addition to their main jobs. Whether it's running an online store, renting out property, or investing in stocks, they ensure they have multiple sources of income. This not only provides financial security but also accelerates wealth growth. Think about your own financial situation. Are you relying solely on your paycheck? If so, it may be time to explore new income streams. It could be a part-time business, freelance work, or even investments that generate passive income. The more diversified your income, the more resilient you'll be against financial downturns. Secret 5. Real estate investment. Real estate is a cornerstone of wealth in China. Property ownership is seen as one of the safest ways to store and grow money. Even with market fluctuations, land and buildings tend to appreciate over time. Many Chinese investors buy real estate not just to live in, but as an asset that grows in value. In some cases, families pool their money together to invest in properties, ensuring that wealth is passed down through generations. If you want to build wealth, consider investing in real estate as a long-term strategy. Even if you start small, owning property can be one of the most effective ways to secure financial stability and generational wealth. Secret 6. Entrepreneurial spirit. China has millions of small businesses, and entrepreneurship is encouraged from a young age. Many successful Chinese individuals don't just work jobs, they create businesses. Even a small side hustle can be the first step toward financial independence. Chinese entrepreneurs are willing to take calculated risks. They start small businesses, learn from failures, and continuously adapt to changing markets. Whether it's running a shop, an online business, or a tech startup, entrepreneurship is a powerful tool for wealth creation. What skills or passions can you turn into an income stream? Take inspiration from this mindset and start thinking about business opportunities that align with your interests and expertise. Secret 7. Education and self-improvement. Education is deeply valued in Chinese culture. But it's not just about degrees, it's about constantly learning new skills. Whether it's mastering finance, business, or technology, successful people never stop improving. Continuous learning helps individuals stay ahead in competitive industries. Many Chinese professionals take additional courses, read extensively, and seek mentorship to keep growing. Want to build wealth? Invest in yourself first. Never stop learning, adapting, and acquiring knowledge that can help you succeed financially. So there you have it, 7 powerful Chinese secrets to building wealth. Long-term thinking, frugality, networking, multiple income streams, real estate, entrepreneurship, and self-improvement. Which one do you think is the most important? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on wealth and success. See you in the next video.